Hi folks, we've been busy researching Studio COB Lights to help you figure out what you need to make your best audio and video content and stay on budget. Links to all the products in the review are in the description box below, where you'll find current pricing for your region wherever possible. Now, before I move on, we'd love to hear what Studio COB Lights you're using right now and what you think of them. Let us know in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best Studio COB lights. The 5th product on our list is the Godox SL-60 watt. The Godox SL-60 watt light is a versatile Studio COB lighting unit that is well suited for video production. It has a 5600 Kelvin chip onboard LED, which ensures high brightness capacity and great colour accuracy. The dimming control lets you adjust it from 10 to 100% using the wireless remote. If you're concerned about stable lighting, the Godox SL-60 has your back with a 60 watt LED bead. It offers high but stable illumination. The LED bead comes with a protective cover for safe storage or transport. At the back of this COB light there is a built-in LED monitor that lets you view the current channel, dimming setting and the temperature of the device. To combat overheating and dissipate heat effectively, the Godox SL-60 has a dedicated fan and heatsink. The fan does not create loud noises and won't disturb you while shooting or overshadow the ambient sounds while recording. The Godox SL-60 watt light is designed to be compatible with Bowen's S-mount light modifiers and accessories, allowing you to customize it to your needs perfectly. Moving this light around the set won't be a problem because of its light and compact design. It is powered by an AC adapter for continuous use. The Godox SL-60 watt light is perfect for people who are looking for an affordable but versatile light source. The 4th product on our list is the Sokani X60. The Sokani X60 is an 80 watt LED light with a 360 degree full colour adjustment. It has a small and compact design that lets you conveniently transport it using its dedicated carrying bag. The temperature adjustment lets you choose from super bright light to a warmer tone. The effects on this light are really fun and it can add a lot to your creativity. It comes with 10 pre-programmed light features such as flash mode, paparazzi, lightning and fireworks. The RGB lights are controlled through an iOS or Android compatible app. While using the application, you can choose all sorts of colours with varying shades, giving you the option of customizing your shot or video perfectly. The Sokani X60 offers high brightness and stable illumination with a wide dimming range of 1 to 100%. You can easily view your current settings using the built-in LCD screen on the back of the device. The Sokani X60 is built to withstand use and comes with a specially made metal protective cover for the LED bead. With a premium heatsink and a built-in fan, overheating isn't an issue when working with these lights. It comes equipped with a standard Bowen's mount that fits a wide range of light modifier accessories such as reflectors and softboxes. The Sokani X60 is an affordable Studio COB light that is perfect for creative photographers or videographers. The varied lighting options are sure to inspire you to think out of the box to fully utilise this COB light. The 3rd product on our list is the Godox UL150. The Godox UL150 is a silent LED Studio COB light. It features an elaborate heat dissipation system that doesn't need a cooling fan. This allows little to no audible sound coming from the Godox UL150. You no longer have to worry about the placement of your lights and recording devices. This light has a powerful 5600 Kelvin daylight balanced 150 watt LED with a CRI rating of 96, allowing it to deliver natural and vibrant light. The UL150 is operated using a separate control box that has an LCD screen to keep track of your current settings. Using the controller, you can dim the lights from a range of 0 to 100%. This light features a rotating yoke that lets you place the light very low on the ground and adjust the angles with ease. It is compatible with a wide range of Bowen's mount accessories so that you can customize it fully to meet your needs. If you're working inside the studio, the Godox UL150 can be powered using an AC adapter, or for on-location shoots, it is compatible with a Sony V-mount battery. The light and portable design of the Godox UL150 makes it a perfect option for filmmakers, videographers or streamers. The second product on our list is the Aputure 300D Mark II. The Aputure 300D Mark II is a considerable upgrade from its predecessor, the 300D. It boasts 20% higher power and improvements in all areas based on user feedback. It uses COB technology to produce 5500 Kelvin colour temperature with a low energy consumption of just 350 watts. The CRI rating of the 300D Mark II is 96, allowing it to render accurate colours. It features 8 pre-programmed light effects, namely paparazzi, spark, lightning, faulty bulb, TV, pulse, flash and explosion. The Aputure 300D Mark II is perfect for low light environments or outside shoots. Aside from a 1 to 100% dimming range, it also employs 4 different dimming curves: linear, logarithmic, exponential and S-curve. There are 3 ways to control this studio COB light: by using the control wheel, the Aputure wireless remote that comes with an FX toggle button, or with the Sidious Link Bluetooth app. The Aputure 300D Mark II can be powered using 2 high-capacity V-mount or gold-mount batteries to produce maximum output, or with a single battery for half the output. You can't go wrong with the Aputure 300D Mark II. It's a studio COB light for filmmakers and photographers who are looking to invest in a lasting device that can accommodate all your needs. The first product on our list is the Aputure Lightstorm 120D Mark II. The Aputure Lightstorm 120D Mark II boasts 25% more brightness than its predecessor. It employs a COB fixture with a 5500 Kelvin colour temperature. At maximum output, it only consumes 180 watts, making it both energy and cost efficient. This studio COB light comes equipped with a DMX 512 capability, which is in the worldwide industry standard for film and television studios. This feature maximises its in-studio use. Setting up lights can eat up time during shoots. The 120D Mark II has found a way around this issue by using a single all-in-one power box. The durability of this box is on point, made with aircraft-grade aluminium while still being lightweight. The built-in yoke was redesigned to accommodate an expanded range of motion of up to 330 degrees. This feature lets you angle your light to perfection and point it anywhere on set. The 120D Mark II uses a built-in fan for heat dissipation without disrupting filming. It produces only 18 decibels of sound at maximum output, which is similar to the volume of a person breathing lightly. The body of the Aputure 120D Mark II is also made out of aircraft-grade aluminium, making it durable but lightweight. Filmmakers can appreciate the portability of this studio COB light that isn't a hassle to transport. Whether you're shooting on location or in a studio, the flexible power options of the 120D Mark II have your back with battery or AC adapter compatibility. The Aputure Lightstorm 120D Mark II is an affordable but professional quality studio COB lighting unit that can be tailored to fit your needs as a home content creator, filmmaker or photographer. It is a great option for all your lighting needs. And there you have it folks, the 5 studio COB lights that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest gear reviews. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, here are a couple that we think you'll enjoy. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.